Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can share your website and app projects with your collaborators and co-editors on Lovable AI. So let us guide you through it. So head over to your app or website project on Lovable inside your workspace. I will go with that one. And next guys, what you want to do is take a look at that panel here at the top, and there's that share button. So you may add people, for example, to share that project with them. Below you may set an accessibility level. For example, go through that list and see who has access and who you can still invite via email. And then guys, you can also set the roles like can view, can edit, and so on and so forth. And last but not least, you may create invitational link. Just don't forget to switch from disabled to can edit here. And after that, you will be able to send that shareable link to your friends and contacts to join them to join your project as a collaborator or co-editor. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.